Valentine's Day is almost here, and let's be honest, flowers fade, chocolates finish, but these gifts, they stay, they're useful, and they say, I really thought about you. If you're looking for gifts she'll actually love this February, here are 10 things you should be buying on Amazon right now. 1. Ausland Women's Black Winter Snow Boots, Mid-Calf. Winter style meets comfort. These Ausland Black Winter Boots are waterproof, fur-lined, and beautifully designed to keep her warm and stylish. Perfect for women who love fashion but hate cold feet. This is the kind of gift she wears, and remembers you every time she does. Perfect Valentine's gift for her. 2. Women's Black Mid-Calf Platform Winter Boots, Slip-on. If she loves easy, classy, and cozy, this one wins. These slip-on winter boots are warm, fashionable, and effortlessly stylish. No stress, no laces. Ideal for everyday wear, outings, or casual dates. Simple gift. Big appreciation. 3. Shebever Suede Fur-Lined Snow Boots, Ankle, Soft suede finish. Warm fur lining. Anti-slip sole. These Shebever ankle snow boots scream comfort and elegance. If she likes soft, cozy fashion with a premium look, this is it. 4. Shebever Waterproof Fur-Lined Ankle Booties. Cold weather won't stop her style anymore. These boots are waterproof, warm, and super comfortable, perfect for outdoor movement without sacrificing looks. Practical Valentine gifts equals long-term love. 5. Werthofbest Hotfix Rhinestone Bedazzler Kit. Want something creative and unique? This Bedazzler kit lets her customize clothes, shoes, bags, anything. It's fun, expressive, and perfect for women who love DIY fashion. You're not just giving a gift, you're giving a hobby. Some of these winter boots are currently discounted on Amazon, and prices usually go back up as Valentine's Day gets closer. If you're watching this now, check the link in the description before the deal disappears. 6. 18000 PCS Resin Jelly Rhinestones Kit. Yes, 18,000 pieces. Colorful, vibrant rhinestones for nails, clothes, shoes, crafts, endless creativity. Pair this with the Bedazzler kit and you've just created a perfect Valentine combo. 7. Rhinestones Bedazzling Kit with Jewelry Glue. This all-in-one rhinestone kit is ideal for beginners and pros. Different sizes, strong glue, beautiful sparkle, everything she needs in one box. Small box, big smile. 8. Mkono Hat Organizer, 10 cap holder. If she loves caps or streetwear, this is a thoughtful gift. Keeps hats neat, organized, and beautifully displayed. Practical gifts equals thoughtful partner energy relieved face. 9. Pickbiff Jewelry Box Organizer, 3-layer, glass top. This one hits different red heart. A beautiful black leather jewelry box with velvet interior, elegant, classy, timeless. Perfect for rings, necklaces, watches, and yes, even the jewelry you plan to buy next. 10. Fabric Storage Bins, 5-pack, collapsible. A clean space is self-care. These stylish fabric storage bins help organize closets, dorms, and bedrooms effortlessly. It's the kind of gift that makes life easier, and that's love too. Valentine's Day is not about spending the most. It's about choosing something meaningful. All the links to these gifts are in the description. Tap 1, surprise her, and thank me later. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs gift ideas right now.